What's up, everybody? It's Hockey Junkie 99, opening up a box of 08-09 Upper Deck SP Authentic Hockey. Went to the local card store today and just picked up a box of it, so I like the product. This is the last box they had left, allegedly. So here we go. Alright, just gonna go through all the hits, or just go through all the good cards. We got a Jack Hillen base rookie, number 2, $9.99. Another rookie, Sean Matthias, number 200. We got a hit in this one. A Gilbert Perreault dual jersey, number to 199. All base on that one. Devin Setoguchi auto facts. Another rookie, Mark Fistrick, to $9.99. Andrew Cogliano, Stars, number to $9.99. A Martin Brodeur dual jersey, number to $199. Two packs left. A Luc Robitaille Legends, number to $9.99. And the last pack, another thicker card, but no patches. A Vesa Toscala and Henrik Lundqvist dual jersey, number 200. That's it. All these cards will be up on eBay soon. Check me out, Hockey Junkie 99. See you guys next time. Peace.